18 is an exciting time for most kids because that is when you can start driving officially. But the process of getting a license has always been painful in India. But guess what? That's not going to be the case anymore. No more long queues or waiting for days just to make those H's and 8's, and most importantly, no more government driving tests for a license. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways announced new regulations to simplify the process of getting a license in India. So here's what is going to change starting from June 1st. You can take driving tests at the nearest private training centers instead of going all the way to the government RTOs. These centers will be authorized to conduct the test and issue certificates saying that the people they train are eligible for a license. Keep in mind, not every driving school will be authorized to issue certificates. So the schools need to have at least 1 acre land for two-wheeler and 2 acres land for four-wheeler training to be eligible for conducting these driving tests. They should also provide access to a suitable testing facility. Trainers should have a high school diploma and at least 5 years of driving experience. Apart from this, the documentation process has also been streamlined, so the ministry will give you a heads up on the kind of documents that you need to take for the process, so you don't have to keep going to the RTOs again and again. The fine for speeding remains between 1000 to 2000 rupees, but the penalty for a minor who gets caught without a license is much stricter now. Action can be taken against the parents, a 25,000 fine will be imposed, the vehicle's registration certificate will be cancelled, and the minor will be barred from getting a license until the age of 25. The government is also aiming to reduce pollution with the new regulations, so they want to phase out around 900,000 old government vehicles and implement stricter emission regulations. The application process is precisely the same as before. You can apply online on the official website and you have to physically visit the RTO to submit your documents and show off your skills. You still have to drive the H's and 8's, but you don't have to run circles around the RTOs and wait forever to do it. What do you think about these new regulations? Let us know in the comments below.